Hey everyone, welcome back to our quick tech tutorials. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to deposit money into your Cash App. If you're new to Cash App or just want a simple refresher, you're in the right place. Cash App is a fantastic tool for managing your finances on the go, and adding money to it is easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App downloaded on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and install it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and log in to your account. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account by entering your email, phone number, and setting up a secure PIN or using biometrics for added security. Next, you'll want to link a bank account or debit card to your Cash App. Tap on the profile icon or the banking tab. It's usually in the bottom right corner. From there, select Linked Banks or Add Bank, and follow the prompts to connect your account. This step is crucial because it allows you to transfer money seamlessly. Cash App supports most major banks, so it should be a breeze. Now, for the main event, depositing money. Go to the home screen of the app and look for the Add Cash option, often represented by a $sign or a plus button. Enter the amount you want to add. Remember, there might be limits based on your account verification status. Then, select your linked bank or card as the source. Hit Add, and confirm the transaction. Depending on your bank, this could take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process. One quick tip: always double-check the details before confirming to avoid any errors. Also, if you're adding a larger amount, you might need to verify your identity first for security reasons. That's it. Your money should now be in your Cash App balance, ready for you to use for payments, investments, or sending to friends. Wrapping this up, depositing money into Cash App is a quick process that puts you in control of your finances. If you run into any issues, Cash App's support team is just a tap away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more handy guides. See you next time.